Hey there guys, it's me Tracy. I wanted to make this video to really quickly show you how to optimize your blog post within Power Network. Once you're in the system and you've got a blog post created, one of the things you want to keep in mind is you want to choose a keyword which is going to get you more results, right? Now, this video isn't about how to choose a keyword. Let's just assume you already know how to do that, or you've watched one of my other videos on how to pick a keyword. So let's just say I found a keyword phrase, okay, because a keyword versus a keyword phrase just means number of words. That's the only difference. So I've got a keyword phrase here, and it's create anything you want in life. Now, this is not an actual example. I have not gone out and researched this keyword to find out whether it's even getting traffic or not. I'm really writing this blog post more for eyes to see it as opposed to search engines to see it, but never mind. I I don't want to go into that. But really the purpose of this video is just to show you how to use this little section here over to the right hand side. I've got my phrase as create anything you want in life, okay? So one thing you want to make sure is that that phrase that you're using is actually in your title. And this is your title area up here, so you want to make sure it's up there. I would also just basically take your title, copy it, and paste it down here in the permalink, okay? That's basically the link that's going to be pointing to this blog post, and you want your keyword in both of those. And usually it's just a straight copy and paste. So you want to make sure that they're the same. So if you go back and change your title, you'll want to go and change your permalinks here. You can shorten it as well. You don't have to keep it as long as your title. You can just use a couple words or just the keyword phrase itself. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. But it does have to be unique to your blog because you can't create another post with the same permalink. Got it? Okay. So then what you want to do is you want to start writing your blog post. So here I've got my blog post. I've got a picture. I've got a ton of words here. And then you'll see down here I've got some more pictures, video, and some more stuff here. Now I'm not quite done this blog post yet, but what I've done is I've saved it as a draft. And once you save it the first time, then this little SEO score section here over to the right is going to show you what your score is from an SEO perspective. And it's going to give you the suggestions of what you need to still do in order to get a higher score. And it also gives you your keyword density. I don't necessarily look at that. I just leave it up to the system to tell me what I still need to do. So just quickly run through these. First of all, you have to enter enough words. I would guess that it's at about 400 words that you need to write. I don't know, but this will tell you. If you don't have enough words, it's going to have an X there. You need to have a keyword in the first sentence. So do I have that? No. Oh, well, here, I guess this is considered the first sentence, okay? The title. So that's cool. In the last sentence. I don't have that in the last sentence either, I don't think. So I don't know why this is maybe not quite working as good because I do not have it in the last sentence. So I'm not really sure why those aren't working, but I know some of these other ones definitely work. And really, ideally, you just want to get as many of these as possible. And maybe what they've done is they've had it so that maybe they've programmed it so that automatically it puts this keyword down in the bottom or something. I don't really know. Anyways, not important. What's important is that you have as many green check marks here as possible. You have an internal link to one of your other pages. So down here, I'm just going to scroll down inside my blog post, and right here, I put a link to another blog post that I created about a week ago, the secret blank check, and I just linked to that particular blog post. So what this is saying is you want to link internally. You want to link from one blog post to another. So take the one you're working on and think of some of the other blogs that you had and how can you link to them so that there's some internal linking structure there. Please add a no follow link. I never do this one. I'm not really sure. I don't really get why it's there. It's always X on mine, so I never have like a perfect score. I can't explain that one. You always want to have an alt image set with your keywords on your, this is for your images. So just go to one of your images, and I'm just going to go to the top one because I know I've done that one. And you click on the image, you get this little picture box. So click on that, and then down here below where it says alternate text, right there, put your keyword phrase right there and save, and you're done and you're good and you're golden. Okay, so that's going to give you a green check mark there. You want to have an H1 tag. So the title right here by default is an H1 tag. So you don't have to worry about that. As long as you put your keyword phrase in the title, then you're good. You're going to have a green check mark there. Now the next two are you do not have an H2 or an H3 keyword tag in your document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to here, right here. I'm going to make this heading 2 instead of heading 1. Okay, so basically you just click it. I know that it has my keyword phrase right there. Okay, I'm going to select that. I'm going to make it heading 2. Then I'm going to save as draft, and then you're going to see that that check mark is going to come up. There we go. See, now we have a green check mark. So what I probably will do later before I publish this post is somewhere down here in the body of my message, I will have that keyword phrase and I'll have it as an H3 tag. So in case you don't know what these are, they're just headings, and it's basically showing you how something's formatted and the importance or the strength of it. So you would use it for like subtitles or titles, that sort of thing. And what they're telling you is that you want to have at least an H2 and an H3 in your post with your keyword phrase in it, because it just tells Google that this post, it's important that this post is about that keyword phrase. Okay, so you're going to want to find another area in your site or in your blog where you can put an H3 tag on the keyword phrase. And then these ones are really simple. You want to make sure you have your keyword phrase bolded, and I actually do have it bolded up here somewhere near the top. I think in the first paragraph. Right there. Second paragraph. Okay, so I've got it bolded there, so that's why I have a check mark. And then the last two are just have it italicized and underlined. Now, I've been playing with this underlined one, and I don't know if it's just broken or not working or what, but just underline somewhere your keyword phrase in your post and you should be good. It probably will not change to a green check mark, but again, the point here is to get it as high as possible, as many green check marks as possible. But I personally have never had any of my blog posts have 100%, and I'm not quite sure how important that is at this point, but just try and get it as high as you can. So anyways, that's really simple how you can SEO your blog post to, the simplest way to do it. It basically tells you what you need to do. Create your blog post, make those little tweaks, and you're golden. Okay? Take care. We will talk to you soon.